morning, guys. Happy Friday. Welcome to the vlog. It is my last weekend of summer because I start school on Tuesday. I can't believe it, but I decided it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me today for a day in my life. Just got to the gym. We are about to go do a quick 20-minute Stairmaster workout. I'm so excited just to get a workout in the morning. But yeah, that's the update, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Whew, good workout. And I'm just gonna listen to some music and drive home. So I just got out of the shower. My workout this morning was so good. I'm currently doing my makeup. I blow dried my hair because it definitely needed it. I cleaned it. Oh, it feels so good cleaning your hair. Today is gonna be a fun day. I have a few errands to run. We sold so many bracelets on Etsy yesterday, which is so crazy. I'm mind blown. Thank you so much for checking out my Etsy, and for everyone who bought one. You guys are seriously so amazing. So we have to run to the post office to get those in the mail. And then also, me and Maylise are going out tonight with a few of our friends, so I have to get ready for that. Still need to upload a new video for today, so that'll be interesting. I haven't even started editing, but we're just gonna get the makeup on, jam out to some music, and then I will update you guys in a little bit. I still have to edit, and we're gonna run to the post office and probably a few other things, and then go out tonight. And I don't know, I just recently rediscovered, I think his name's Bazzi. I'm not really sure, I feel like I'm butchering. He just has a new album, and it's so good. And there's this song called I Fly, but it's I-F-L-Y. Oh, so good. It's my new fave. We're just gonna go with a no brow day. We're just gonna rock them. Okay, makeup is done. So we're gonna head over, start editing. I need to get this up early since I'm going out tonight. I just finished editing today's video. It's super cute. I will insert a card so you can go check it out. I love how it turned out, and I definitely speed edited that one. But honestly, doing daily videos, I feel like my editing skills have gotten so much better. I'm just so much faster at it because I'm so used to doing it, and I have all the shortcuts memorized again. So that's awesome, and I mean, I'm going to school for that, so that's super exciting, to learn more about it and everything. But we're gonna head over to the post office. I filled out all of the envelopes and everything. I also listed friendship bracelets the other day on my Etsy, which is listed down below, you guys. And these seriously take so long to make, but they're on my Etsy. I think there's only one left. You guys have been buying them like crazy. But my regular little bead it bracelets are buy 3 get 1 free. You just have to message me on there. I have 3 on right now. I have my Kelly one. One says Groovy, and then the other one, the white one, says Up All Night, One Direction's first album. Such a fangirl. But these are new on there, so that's super exciting. Again, it's listed down below, but I have so many orders. I need to get to the post office before it closes so that they ship out on time. So that's what we're gonna do now. Water bottle, my cell phone. Like I said, so many orders, you guys. There's so many of them. I'm so excited. Do a quick OOTD before we leave. Seriously wearing the easiest summertime outfit. It is a t-shirt dress. This is from Southern Shirt Company. So comfy, so soft. It has pockets, which is awesome. And then I just have on some platinum Jack Rogers. I have this nasty bruise on my leg, which is super cute, you know. But we're gonna head to the post office. That was the most I've ever put in there all at once. Okay, on the way home. Okay guys, so I set you up on a tripod. I turned all the lights on in my room. We are back from the post office and I came home to a super exciting package. So I don't know if you guys know this, but Vineyard Vines created a new account called Vineyard Vines Women. I will have it listed down below so you guys can check it out. But they followed me on Instagram. Your girl was freaking out and they sent me a package, which I'm just so like shook. Like Vineyard Vines reached out to me, they sent me something. I'm so thankful, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, like I've always said, I wouldn't have these opportunities without you guys, so thank you so much for following me along. And just a huge shout out to Vineyard Vines. I'm so excited. So the package just came in this yellow envelope and I just cut it open and it's just like this box. Super cute. It just has like their little whale on it and I haven't even opened it up yet. I figured I would open this with you guys and I'm just like seriously still like I'm like shaking right now. I can't believe this is happening. They have been one of my dream companies to work with since I've started Kellyprepster. I don't know if I should like slice the sticker or like scrape it off. I'm just seriously so excited right now. This is crazy. That probably wasn't the best method. Nope, not at all. This is just not as cute as it could have been. Okay guys, it's about to get real. The sticker's off. The packaging is so cute. Okay, so it just has this little note and says, "Hey Kelly, hope you've had the best summer so far. Thanks for being such a great friend to our brand. We're so excited to share Vineyard Vines Women with you. Team VV." Guys, there's a gift card. I'm freaking out. Okay, so it just comes with this little flyer and it says Vineyard Vines at Women now on Instagram. Like I mentioned earlier, they just created a new account. They followed me on Instagram, so definitely go follow them. Summer is a state of mind. We hope you enjoy this little gift to help take your summer style to the next level. For style tips and inspo, follow along on our new Instagram account. This is seriously so cute and such a fun way to like spread the word on your new account. And they sent me something. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, you guys can't see what's happening. Okay. Ooh, okay, so they sent me one of their cute little pink whale stickers. You guys, there's two of them. I do sticker giveaways on my Instagram. There's 3 of them. Okay. I do sticker giveaways over on my Instagram, which is just that Kellyprepster. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So stay tuned for those. I have some fun whale stickers now. There is this cute Vineyard Vines koozie. Love the blue with all the little whale details. Seriously, so cute. And then the big thing in here is this little jewelry pouch. And it says Vineyard Vines. And oh, these are so pretty. They're like statement earrings. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are so cute. I love the black and white. This will be so fun for all seasons, but especially transitioning from summer to fall. So cute. I'm just seriously so excited right now. Wow. Best day ever. Best day ever. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just can't process it right now. But thank you so much, Vineyard Vines, for sending this to me. I can't wait to wear the earring and keep spreading the word on your new Instagram. That is so awesome. Thank you so much for following along and making this happen. You guys are seriously so amazing. I feel like I'm gonna start crying or something now. Okay, I'm just like getting so many emotions. But we are going out tonight, like I mentioned earlier, so I need to pack my bag. I'm sleeping over at my friend Lisa's house. We're going out with a few of our friends. I'm gonna wear a different outfit, so I'll show you guys that. So we're just gonna pack my bag up. I'll show you guys what I'm bringing and my outfit, and I'll keep you guys updated. So I packed up my backpack with just like what I'm bringing over to my friend's house. I just have my water bottle, some PJs, like my toothbrush, some makeup, because we're gonna fix up our hair and makeup when I get to her house, and like my phone charger and my Polaroid camera. And then I also have my keys, wallet ready to go. And then I'm going to show you guys my outfit real quick. I just have on this super cute little romper. It's from Forever 21. I've had it since high school. I wear it to all my favorite concerts. It's just like a really fun and night out outfit. And we're going to do our hair when we get there. And then I just have on some platinum Jack Rogers. Super simple. The outfit has pockets. I still need to accessorize, but I'm heading over to my friend's house right now. So it's a little while later. I'm with Elise. Yo. And we're gonna go hang out with some of our friends. But I just thought I'd give you guys a little update. But I'm gonna leave my vlog camera in the car. But that is what we're doing Friday night. It'll be fun. Yeah. Hey guys, it is the next day. It's Saturday. I just realized I didn't end the vlog, so this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do want to mention today is the last day to enter my back to school giveaway. It is August 24th when you're watching this. You have until midnight. I'm going to be announcing the winner in tomorrow's video. It's going to be a vlog, so stay tuned for that. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!